Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the solution for SQL state unknown database, and this is the database name. So here let me just go back to my code, and if you just go to your .env file, you will see the DB database equal to your database name, and for my case it is beginner underscore Laravel. So what I need to do is that I just need to copy this, then I need to go to my PCMyAdmin. Here you can see currently I am in the PCMyAdmin, and after coming here click on new. Then here you need to give the database name, and the database name we did right over here is beginner underscore Laravel. So I'll just say here beginner underscore Laravel, then click on create, and there you can see a database is created. So right now if we refresh, it will still show us say error, and that error will be base table or view not found. So the solution is we need to go to our command prompt, and we need to stop this PHP serve. So I'll just press Ctrl+C. Then we need to say here PHP artisan migrate and press enter. And there you can see some table is migrated. So right now if we just click on our database, there you can see there is some table. So right now what we need to do is that we need to go back to our command prompt, and here we need to say again PHP artisan serve. So we need to run our project. So we'll press enter. There you can see it is running. So let's go back to our browser and let's refresh here. And there you can see there is no error, and we're able to see whatever we have in the Laravel project. So this is how you can solve your issue. I hope this was easy for you to understand. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.